Easy Interactive Tools, or EIT, is the annotation software that ships with your BrightLink projector. It is to be installed on your PC or Macintosh computer and allows you to interact with content being displayed from your BrightLink projector. If you do not have it on your computer, you can install it with the Easy Interactive Tools CD that shipped with your BrightLink projector. If you do not have the CD, Easy Interactive Tools is available as a free download from the support page of your specific BrightLink model. This can be found in the support section of Epson.com. As you get ready to use Easy Interactive Tools with your BrightLink projector, be sure that you have connected the USB cable from your BrightLink to your computer. To open Easy Interactive Tools on a PC, double-click on the icon that installs on your desktop. If you do not have an icon, go to Start, then Programs, and find Easy Interactive Tools among your installed programs. If you're using a Mac, click on the icon on your dock. Once you have opened Easy Interactive Tools, you will see three separate windows or toolbars: the home screen, the command bar, and the drawing toolbar. The home screen allows you to choose between desktop annotation and whiteboard mode. Create new files, open existing files, as well as finding recent files you may have worked on. It also provides shortcuts for accessing an attached document camera, if you have one, and opening your internet browser. The home screen will remain active until you select one of the commands on it. Once you have selected an option, the home screen will close, and the command and drawing toolbars will become active. The command toolbar allows you to go back to the home screen at any time. It also allows you to save your files, page up and page down, access tools and make setting changes to the toolbar, initialize a connected document camera, and choose between interactive mode and whiteboard mode. To learn more about the command toolbar, watch the command toolbar video, which is part of this series. The drawing toolbar allows you to toggle back and forth between a pen and a mouse, draw shapes, create text boxes, select objects, choose pens and highlighters for drawing, and various erasers for removing digital ink or cleaning the screen. To learn more about the drawing toolbar, watch the drawing toolbar video, which is part of this series.